Hi, I'm Linda, and here is another Easier English New Internationalist video lesson. This lesson is about turkeys, bees, and whales. Okay, ready? It's going to include some reading, vocabulary, grammar, and writing. So first, I want you to think or make notes about turkeys, bees, and whales. Are they endangered? Do they suffer? And are they intelligent? What do you think? Okay. So there are 3 texts here to find out. We're going to skim them quickly to find out if you think they are endangered, they suffer, and they're intelligent. And then we'll read in more detail in a minute. Some of this information could be shocking. This is the warning, especially the 3rd one about turkeys. Are you ready? So the first one, endangered, suffer, intelligent, bees. Okay. Second, whales. And third, turkeys. There are 2 slides for this. Okay. Okay. So you've seen the articles quickly. Now I want you to read again and pause each reading. And you need to find the problem or problems in each and the solution or solutions in each. Okay, problems and solutions. Let's go back to the readings. We'll start with bees. Okay, pause this and find problems and solutions. Okay, next, whales, problems and solutions. Okay, and finally, turkeys, problems and solutions. And the second slide for turkeys. Okay, did you find all the problems and solutions? Many problems, not so many solutions. Here are some words. Do you know what they mean? Sorry, go back to these. You need to check in the dictionary if you don't know the meaning of these. I will elicit some of them now. What do we call the place where animals are killed for food? Yeah, that's the slaughterhouse. And one method of killing an animal in this list, what could it be? Yeah, electrocute. What do you call the things that farmers often spray on their crops to stop insects and pests from killing them? Yeah, insecticide and pesticide. What do bees do to help crops to spread and grow in other areas? Yeah, they pollinate. If you want an animal or a person to stay completely still and motionless, what can you do? You can stun them with a stun gun. And if you give some medicine to stop the feeling in a certain area, that is an anesthetic. Yep. And to kill an animal by hanging it up is, yeah, to hang. Not very pleasant, this vocabulary. Okay, so now you need to match what happens to these animals with the animal. For example, A, their toes are cut off. Can you remember? That was the turkey. Can you match the others? Pause to see if you remember and match. Okay? Okay, so you've matched all those sentences to the animals. Here are the answers. What is the grammar here? What's the tense? Yeah, it's passive and it's present simple passive, talking about the routines. Somebody else does the action, so it's passive. Here's the form of the present simple passive. We have the subject, then we have is or are, and then the past participle. Here's a short gap fill for you. Can you put these verbs in the present simple passive? You have the verb in brackets. Pause now to complete the gaps. Okay, finished? Okay, so they are taken by ship. They are thrown in like baggage, and many legs are broken. Those are all irregular past participles, of course. Okay, so the last thing to do with this lesson, some more reading maybe. All these three texts come from the Easier English Wiki, eewiki.newint.org, and you can read the whole articles and many others about animals if you search in the top right search area on that website. And writing. Always good to write about a topic. Your task in this lesson is to write an informal letter to a friend about these three animals, turkeys, whales, and bees. You can write about what you've learnt about the animals. You can write more about what you think or feel about them. And don't forget to use the present simple passive. Okay? That's the end of this lesson.